Hello and welcome to the Setting Up Dragonade plugin tutorial for Command & Conquer Renegade. In this tutorial I will explain how you can create a plugin for the FDS in Dragonade. We first have to go to the Renegade forums website and navigate to the mod release forum. There you'll find a topic with the latest Dragonade version. I will link this page in the description below. We can start creating our plugin once the download is completed. Unpack the source files you've just downloaded using any unzip program. Windows 8 and up comes with a default unzipper. We first have to update our server with the Dragonade files. This process is not easily reverted and therefore I recommend creating a backup of your server folder. Make sure that the Dragonade scripts version matches that of your server. Navigate to the server folder and copy all files and folders in that folder. Now go to the server's root directory where server.exe is located and paste all files. Overwrite any existing files or folders. Now go to the source folder of Dragonade. Rename the example folder to your plugin's name. Open up the Dragonade solution in Notepad by right-clicking it, open with, choose another app, Notepad. Search for occurrences of example and replace it by your plugin's name. Save and close the solution file. Navigate into the now renamed to your plugin's name folder and rename all the files that have example in them to your plugin's name. Make sure to keep the extensions intact. Open up the VCX project file in Notepad using the same method as before. Rename all example occurrences to your plugin name. Take note of the occurrences written in all caps or lowercase. Save and close the VCX project file. Right mouse click the solution file again and open with Visual Studio 2019. If you are asked to upgrade the solution, hit cancel. Open up all the CPP files except general in your plugins project and rename the includes to your plugin's name.h. Now go to Build, Batch Build, click Select All and finally click Rebuild. This will start building all the dependency binaries and our plugin. Once this is finished, we can run it in our server. Visual Studio created a bin folder for us that contains all the generated binaries. In the bin folder, you will see various different target configuration folders. In your testing environment, you should use the debug folders, and when you are ready to release your plugin, you may use the release folder. For now, we are going to use the debug folder. Copy your plugin's name.dll and navigate to your service folder. Paste your plugin in the root directory, where the server.exe is located. Open up da.ini in Notepad. Search for the plugins section. And add an entry for your plugin. Make sure to prefix your plugin's name with _. You have now successfully created your first Dragonade plugin.